Mondays. Monday morning, and we're here with the van. It's green, it's beautiful. We got Frederick, we got Philip, and we're just shoveling snow on a Monday. So basically, now we're trying to get the van out, and we'll see if this puppy can start. We're gonna rev the engine.
Rev the engine.
Frederick, tell us a bit about the car.
The car is a 1979 model. It's a Volkswagen T2. It's gonna be amazing.
All right. And Philip is the guy who...
the mind behind every car.
All right. So, of course, we have amazing plans with this van for Bula this summer. We're gonna tour both Norway and a bit in Sweden also. We're gonna cruise around. But first, we're gonna pimp this car. So it looks like an 80s hippie van. And we're gonna... Thanks Bula for the hookup. Don't break the key.
Let's go in from the back.
Yes. Östbo speciality.
Oh yes.
Fire it up. All right.
Here we go. First time. Let's see if it starts. See now.
This is so cool. This is so rad. Oh, come on! Come on!
This is a great start.
Are we going?
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow?
So we tried to start it about 12 times now, but it just won't start, so we're gonna try to tow start it.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see?
Det var kaldt inni den kjæra der.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that?
So we're at Fornebu and we have the status for the Bula van. Everything is changed in this car right now. All the braking systems are completely new. All the wiring in the entire car is also wired up again. We have changed the engines for the wipers because, you know, we gotta see. And we've given it a small, fresh paint job. But we still have a lot of stuff to do. And we just gotta keep going at it until it's perfect.
So you see the paint of the car looks real nice. These eyelids, incredibly sexy. The chrome here, you know, it's good. Need a little rub down. Good to go. Engine, as you said, very good, very fast. Everything is it's street legal, so it's basically good to go. But we have a few things inside that we need to fix. It's a 78 model. This is a 1983 Bula model, Volkswagen Bula, and it's had a few years on the road. It got some mileage on it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna shine it up a little bit inside, make sure everything is nice and tight and ready for an epic summer. Now we're going to start to drop the car off at Peter's house. He's gonna do a paint job and make this car look freaking awesome. And then it will be ready for the Bula Van Tour this summer. Amazing.
Car keys.
What's up?
Hey,
How's it going?
Very well.
What do you think?
Man, this is so cool. Yeah, this is really cool. This is, yeah, dream come true, really.
So what are you about to do?
Oh, I'm gonna give this a little makeover here. Add some paint and yeah, basically give it the proper treatment.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this my whole life, so yeah, this is a dream project right here. All right, so first thing here, we're gonna go for a little tiki face here on the front. So basically, I'm just gonna start rough sketching, and we'll see how far we get with that today, and then start going in with some color, and then hit the outline at the end. Project is a total bucket list dream project for me. I've literally been thinking about painting a Volkswagen bus for my whole life. My parents had 2 buses when I was a kid, and I actually like fell out of one and cracked my skull open when I was like 2 years old, and somewhere deep in the subconscious I've been dying to do this project, so the day finally arrived, and yeah, I'm really excited.